Welcome. Today, we're walking through a quick practical update to help you enable use data to improve Discord so you get a smoother, more personalized experience without the guesswork. First, open Discord on your device. Once you're in, look to the bottom right and tap your profile icon. This brings you into your account settings where you can tune how Discord uses data to tailor features and performance. Next, head into settings. You'll see a list of options, but focus on data and privacy. This section is where you control what information Discord uses to improve the app for you and other users. In data and privacy, you'll find the toggle labeled Use Data to Improve. Slide this switch to the on position. When you turn it on, Discord can use data such as performance metrics and usage patterns to identify areas where the app runs more smoothly, fix glitches faster, and tailor experiences that align with how you actually use Discord. A quick tip: if you're ever unsure about what this means, pause for a moment and review any descriptive text in the toggle area. It typically explains that enabling data collection helps with product improvements and troubleshooting while still keeping your personal information within privacy-friendly boundaries.